again. This is Detroit Club Style Ballroom 101, or Urban Ballroom 101. We're back here with another concept video, and today's concept are hands. And people wonder, like, hands? Yes. This is a hand dance, so your hands are way, way, way important. So they deserve their own topic, hands. And the reason we talk about hands is because that's how I let them know what I'm going to do. When we're dancing on the floor, I don't go full turn, half turn. No. My hands give the communication on what I want the follower to do. So as I'm dancing, my hands do all the talking for me. So the thing that's very important is that we know how to use our hands and how to hold our hands. One, when we're dancing, we're not gripping each other. Our hands are together and we have nice little hooks because we're a partnership. So what does that mean? That means that they lean, we lean. It's like we're supporting each other in this dance for the few minutes of the song. They're holding up their end, and you see literally the follower is, and I'm holding up my end as the leader in the hands. And so as we do the hands, there's a couple common ways that we do the hands. We can do the hands where we do what they call pistol grip. And pistol grip looks like this. Like, pow, 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 pow. And as the leader and the followers keeps these hooks. And so what I do is I click in. And then I use my fingers and my fingers to guide. And so when I'm turning, I turn. Same thing, I turn the other way, I turn. But I'm guiding with my fingers. Now, if you notice, I'm not using my thumb. Because they keep their finger curled, I don't use my thumb. So this way we're free to turn and go around. And as you see, we've kept the connection the whole time. No thumbs, just keeping the hooks. And so because it's a hand dance, they know what I want to do because they can feel my hand when they communicate. Now there's a couple things that go along with this. And I'm going to let them tell you the one thing that annoys them the most about my hands and me when we're dancing. I'm going to see if they remember. But to make sure we keep the hooks, no thumbs. Even when we do the side-by-side moves and we're going over, you'll see that there was no thumbs in that. We're going to do it again in slow motion. You see our fingers are together and they're going around, but there was no thumbs, but we stayed connected. Yeah. Hands. Okay then. You got anything you want to add to the hands? Because I know there's one important thing they always like to talk about. Let me see if they remember.
What he's talking about is cut your nails, because you don't want to cut nobody on the dance floor. So
yeah.
So what I wanted to add to this is the ladies, of course, with your great posture, I want to make sure that you know that you keep your hands ready. And you're keeping your hands in front of you, in that 90-degree arm in that 90-degree angle, and your hands here. So they're available for the lead to grab you as a follower and lead you through these moves.
So when I'm going for the hands, they're like, dude, they're there, and I can grab the hand and I can get the next move off. Now the other thing is, as a leader, we don't want to be dead with the noodle arm. Don't noodle arm dead. We want to try to do something, whether we're snapping to keep pace, but they told me don't snap because my snapping's bad. So whether you want to keep it in your pocket because you're cool, if you want to hold it on your waist, my suggestion would be to hold it like up here on your waist or up here in your person. So when you want to switch hands, it's available. If you notice in these beginning videos, I try to do everything with one hand for starters, just so it's like, okay, we never let go of the hand, so there's no mystery of what happened or what we did. So my offhand, I'm keeping my offhand ready for the chance I might use it, but for now, it's just ready and available. I'm trying not to do big. Some days I get tired and I'm lazy and it's like, So you try to avoid the tired and dead arm, keep it up, keep it up, keep it up. And as they say, cut the nails. That is the main thing about hands. And don't squeeze. Don't squeeze. This ain't a hard handshake contest. We're just trying to keep our connection, stay connected. This is where the conversation is. this is where the conversation is. That, anything else?
That's basically it for the ladies, or the followers, I should say. Keep your hands here, unless you start to learn styling, but that's, later on down the road. But basically, if you keep your hands here during the dance, the gentleman or the lead could lead you through the moves and have access to them.
One last thing. When you see them reaching for your hand, make the connection. See them reaching, make the connection. You see them reaching, make the connection. You see them reaching, make the connection. Because you want to be connected, because that's where the conversation on the dance happens. And later on, when we get fancier, they're going to reach. I can't see. So the follower has to make the connection to keep the dance going. So when you see them, reach out and touch somebody's hand. Make this world a better place if you can. But that's it. Hands. That was today's video. Hope you got something from it. See you in the next video.